Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to use the Data Saver feature when uploading videos in Discord. If you're tired of wasting mobile data or if your connection isn't very strong, this setting will help you upload videos more efficiently. Let's go through each step together so you can make sure everything is set up the right way. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This is where you'll find all your account and app customization options. Next, tap on the settings icon. You'll see a long list of options here, but don't worry. We're heading straight to the one that matters for saving data while uploading videos. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Tap on it to open the chat settings. This area controls how Discord handles messages, media, and video content. Once inside, look for the video quality section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Data Saver. Tap on it to enable the feature. When Data Saver is turned on, Discord automatically reduces the quality of videos you upload or send. This means smaller file sizes, faster uploads, and less data used without you needing to do anything extra.